Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your Snapchat score on Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And after that, you can see the Bitmoji icon or your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your phone. Just tap there. And after that, after you have landed on this interface, you can see your Snapchat score under your profile picture QR code. You can see over here, which is the beside the Aquarius one, and my current Snapchat score is 3. And if I don't want anybody to see it, I can just go to the settings by tapping on the settings icon on the top right corner of our phone. And after that, we must go to the who can category, which is a little bit down, and you can see who can and this contact me over here. Just tap on the contact me. Since I have selected my friends, and only my friends on Snapchat will be able to see the Snapchat score of mine. If I tap on everyone, then everyone will be able to see the Snapchat score of my account. So since I don't want everybody watching my or seeing my Snapchat score, I will just tap on my friends and only let my friends see it. And there guys, this is how to hide Snapchat score on Snapchat. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.